our highest performing profile, suitable for passive, net zero, and other high energy performance homes. The profiles feature a glass fiber composite core, commonly called fiberglass. With a 1 millimeter thick PVC cap, the material in the profiles is specifically produced for the North American market, and this means it has higher amounts of titanium dioxide and other UV stabilizers. In North America, we have a higher UV load than in Europe, and this tends to discolor the profiles with a European formulation. The material also has no recycled content to ensure it is lead-free. Lead was used as a stabilizer for PVC into the 2000s. The 1 millimeter PVC cap has a high-definition surface finish for a nice gloss that prevents dirt from getting embedded in the profiles over time. Because of the strength of the core, in many cases we do not use steel reinforcement. We have reached design pressures of 95 PSF in residential sizes and 75 PSF in commercial sizes without steel. When we don't need steel, we can put GPS foam in the large chambers where the steel would go with upstands of the sash and the frame. This reduces heat transfer further in an already high-performing 6-chamber frame. This is a triple seal system with inner and outer compression seals. The workhouse seal is a center fin seal. This provided a continuous seal unbroken by hinges or drainage and is essential for a truly airtight tilt and turn window. The wind loads actually force this seal tighter. It also contributes significantly to the thermal performance of the system. As these are 86 millimeter profiles, the area between the sash and the frame is quite large. Without this center seal, the convection currents could form between the sash and the frame, partially negating the wide profile's resistance to the heat loss. These profiles have a glazing pocket and accepts up to 50 millimeters or 2 inches insulated glass units. This allows us to keep the gap between the glass at an optimal 13 to 16 millimeters, as even thicker glass is needed for larger openings. The profiles include an integrated reinforcement system to provide strength, as well as specifically designed grooves to take hardware loads. This means the screws are not highly load-bearing in a combination with screw bosses engineered into the profiles. The screws are prevented from working loose over time. These features sum to an extremely high-performance profile system, whether the measure be thermal, structural, air infiltration, or resistance to driving rain. Engineered for longevity.